Hi guys, it's Julia.
And Juhei.
And today we're going to be making our vision boards for 2021. And although we don't know what the next year will hold for us, we can still be hopeful, intentional, and focused for everything that we want to manifest for the new year. So if you guys are not familiar with what a vision board is, it's basically a visual representation of images, symbols, and pictures that portray everything that you want and desire for the new year.
So for 2020, we actually worked on our vision boards together and we brought it to show you guys what it would look like. And the first step in creating a vision board is to reflect on your last year. And what I did for 2021 was jotted down some visions that I wanted to accomplish in 2021 so that it would help me get images for the board.
And we actually have a bunch of reflection journal prompts that I will leave a link in the description box. Basically, you just put in your email and it'll email you a list of reflection journal prompts that you can reflect on and then also help you to set your intentions for the new year. So 2020 was one hell of a year, but I feel like after looking at our 2020 boards, we did accomplish a lot.
Yep.
Like, despite everything, like, we still did.
Yes.
What are some things that you did do this year?
Well, I started my YouTube channel. I've been talking about starting a beauty YouTube channel for 3 years, and I finally started it thanks to quarantine actually.
Yeah.
And I got some collaborations too, and just more self-care, exercise, and getting back on the creative side that I majored on. So I think I could check off at least more than half of it.
Yeah.
How about you?
Me too. I feel like a lot of these things, like, we manifested it
Yes.
together. Like, say for like,
Look.
yes, I manifest the things I want. You have that one too, right?
I do.
Yeah.
Top.
So a lot of mine are like a lot of career things, like for mantra, different goals. I really wanted to be a part of the Self-Love Lessons event, and I was able to do that before quarantine hit.
Yes.
Other things, I won a grant for my business. A lot of other things. This one, it says 2 million followers for Mantra, but we hit 1 million, which is still freaking amazing. So I'm very proud of that. Some other things are to travel. We did some traveling this year, despite everything, safely, of course.
Yes.
And yeah, just like positive thinking, positive outcomes, just like working on my mindset. I think that was a really big thing, and especially like being at home really allowed me to like connect with myself on a deeper level. So I think that was like a really big thing this year.
Well, we were looking for 2021. This is how big the vision board
It
was.
was so big.
Yes, but you could actually just go get a poster board or anything.
Yes.
We decided to do black again because it shows, it pops more, and it's more.
This one's
smaller.
smaller. It's like half the size. We cut one board in half.
Yes.
And we got our images
Yes.
ready, right?
I don't have much, but
So we printed these out. We got all of our images from online, mostly Pinterest for me. I even also like edited some of my other photos too, like added text to my photos to kind of like just represent the things that I want. But you can like break it down in different categories. You could do like personal goals, career goals, family goals, life, finance. There's like so many different things that you can do. And what's important is that you are very specific in these goals and these images, and that they connect to you like personally on a deep level.
we're doing this to be intentional, to really manifest what we would want to see in 2021. We don't know what's going to happen in 2021, but
Yes.
we're still going to do this because we're looking forward to the new year. Yeah.
So the other supplies that we need, so we have the board, we have our images. You need scissors to cut out your images, and something to adhere your images to your board. So we have tape here. And then also Sharpies if you wanted to draw on it. Maybe like write the year at the top or whatever words that mean something to you.
Yes, we got the metallic one because it shows in the black one.
So now we can just go ahead and start cutting out the images first, and then we'll start piecing it down.
Okay.
Now we need to organize it on our board.
Like keys.
Usually what I like to do is just kind of place it down first and then face it down. Kind of
That's
see.
what I do. I read my mind.
Depends. I mean, do you like to organize like your images by like theme, like work?
Yes.
personal? Me too. So I'm gonna put one of our stickers. It says I manifest the things I want. So that kind of just goes for all time.
That's always at the top of mine.
Yeah, same. I'm gonna put it like here, top middle.
Are we taping it now?
I still need to plan mine out.
Oh.
First I organize mine like in the categories and then I'll put it together.
Oh, mine's already done.
I also really want it to be like aesthetically pleasing too if I can. So I try to find images that are like in the same like color scheme. Very neutral.
Well, this is very me, very colorful,
yeah.
very busy.
But that's what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be
You.
yeah, you.
And don't forget, you have to have fun. This is like looking forward to the next year, so
Yeah.
don't be stressed. I'm not stressed that whatever I planned, whatever I put on 2020's vision board that didn't come true. Like, don't stress over it.
Mm-hmm.
There's still time. It's still probably in the works of happening.
Yeah. Because not everything can happen in a year.
Yeah,
Like everything takes time.
so true. Where did you place your vision board?
Oh yeah. I placed mine like at my desk area. How about you?
I placed it in my vanity
Mm-hmm.
because that's where I spend the most time.
Mhm.
But it really helps to just be reminded.
Yeah. So a good tip is to keep your vision board displayed wherever like you are kind of spending most of your time. So usually like at your desk space or in your, you know, whatever area that you're in, because you're pretty much using like visual repetition and you want to always have these things in your mind, like constantly be reminded so that you can just take your actions towards those goals.
Yes. I think 2021 was also a year that people could try something new too. They
Yeah.
have so much time. It was stressful though, but still good things came out of it.
Yeah. Started her YouTube.
Yes.
Follow her on YouTube. She does makeup tutorials, skincare.
Yes.
She does all my makeup.
Oh,
She did
yes.
today.
I'm her personal makeup artist.
Ta-da! Perfect. Cute. You extra, huh?
Yes. 3.
Ta-da!
Yay!
These are
Oh,
words.
I like this year's or 2021's better than last year.
Yeah, I like this size gonna be way better to put on our desk. Should we share other things that are on here
Yes.
on our board?
I'll go first then.
Okay.
I have one of my favorite quotes from Mantra. It says, "Don't let your mind bully your body." I have a hard time loving my body
Beautiful body.
image. I am a bigger lady for an Asian, and it's really hard to look at myself in the mirror. But this quote really helps me, and I really want to try to save more money. And I really think that breathing is really important, especially for me. I deal with a lot of anxiety too. And her mantra sound videos, the YouTube videos that we have, that really helps me. I would like to pray, meditate more. Yeah, like 1K. Yay.
Let's get her to 1K.
Yes.
Get her to 10K.
I want to.
Later you can just change, you can just add a 0.
Yes.
10K.
Right here, right here.
Once you hit 1K.
Yes. And I would really like to set up my own office space or like our office space. And I wrote drink H2O.
Perfect.
I need that.
Cool. Okay, so I'll go through mine. So I organize mine by like categories. This is like my wellness, like mindset, lifestyle category. I want to go to the beach more. I really find like the waves very soothing and the beach is just so beautiful. And then here I want to, this is like my dream like home
Oof,
space.
yes.
Like I love when you like open the door and you just like walk outside and it's like the seamless floor. I love that. I want to reduce, reuse, recycle, replenish, restore. Be very mindful of that. What else? More juicing. Oh yeah, have an office space that looks like this.
For mantra.
For mantra for us, it's like this like open in the middle of the room is like open where like you get the natural sunlight. I feel like that would be like amazing because we need sun.
Yes.
That's what gives us light.
We love sun.
Yeah.
We love tanning.
Other things. Oh, I want to get better at public speaking because I think that is a really good like just tool for me too. Like, just,
I think you're already very good.
but more confident.
Yes.
Yeah. Because I always like mess up or get really nervous.
You get nervous.
Other things. Oh, I want to grow our YouTube channel. I really want to make more videos, get more content on there.
What is this I see?
This, if you're watching, you know who you are. This is my ideal engagement ring.
Their love is very beautiful.
So I'm manifesting this
Yes.
for 2021. Also, like financial freedom is the big one. So
Yeah.
I just added the text on top of an image that like kind of represents like being free. And then just like more like finance stuff, like more savings for the future. Yeah, that's it. Oh, travel if we can.
Yes.
But we always do like safe mini trips too.
Mhm.
Okay, so that is how to build your vision board for the new year. 2021 is literally right around the corner. It's in a few weeks. So right now is the perfect time to start working on it. On Instagram, we're actually going to be kind of walking you guys through like kind of like a workshop on stories, and kind of do it with you guys. So we'll walk through every step every day. So stay tuned for that on Instagram at The Mantra Co. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was really fun making this video with you.
And also, don't forget to tag us when you do make your vision board. We would love to
Yeah.
see it, and we would love to chat with you what your goals are.
Yes. So we hope you are staying safe and well at home, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.
Vision it. Vision.